According to a study conducted recently, people these days spend an average screen time of 5.4 hours on their mobile phones daily. Imagine if you allocate an hour or two to a smartphone app that will help you make money online. How much money could you get? In today's video, I am going to talk about a smartphone app which is developed by Yandex, which is the third most popular search engine in the world after Google and Bing. I want you to go to we.talaka.ai, which is the platform we will use today to make money online. Talaka is the name of the platform, and you can see that it allows you to make money online by performing simple tasks that computers can't do. And yeah, there are plenty of tasks your laptop can't perform. Trust me. The tasks include analyzing and rating web content, completing tasks wherever and whenever you want. If you scroll down, you can see that you can withdraw your earnings through Skrill, PayPal, and Payoneer, which makes this app accessible to everyone. You can find the nature of the task you will be performing here. Things such as reviewing public comments, classifying images and search results, and also reviewing products and services. Most of us can perform these tasks, and we don't need special training or experience to start making money online using this app. You don't have to work on this app the whole time. Simply complete tasks whenever you want. It doesn't matter if you have 5 minutes or all day, it's flexible. You can see that the app is available for iOS and Android users, and you can make up to 10 cents for a task that won't take more than 5 seconds to complete. All you need is a phone with internet and some free time. If you click here, you will be taken to the Google App Store. This is a popular app, and you can see that it has been downloaded almost 150,000 times, and the ratings are quite positive. The majority of people have given this app 5 stars rating, which tells you how legit this app is. Simply download the app, create a new account, and start making money online. You can click on Get Started here to sign up. You can log in using your Facebook or Gmail account. Otherwise, you can create an account using your email account. You will be asked some questions to evaluate your profile. You can log into your account after you download the apps and start making money immediately. This is probably one of the best apps to make money from your phone. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and make sure to check out the other money-making strategies on this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe now so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another strategy on how to make money online.